You study hard, you learn enough. You may have done all the possible things to remember vocabularies, but you forget after a short period of time. Study says if you learn vocabulary with pictures, your mind can remember them easily and you will be able to memorize them for a long time. Author and one of the best English speaking persons, Shashi Tharoor, says if you learn vocabulary from the sentences, you don't need to open the dictionary and you can use them in the sentences while speaking and writing. So, keeping all the above facts in mind, I have made a trick in which I will teach you vocabulary in the right order with pictures and you will see how to use them in the sentences. So, without any delay, let's straight jump into the video. Vocabularies you will learn throughout the story is mentioned below. Trick to remember vocab in the right order is Happy Holi. Happy Holi consists 9 letters and with each letter we will learn a new vocab. The first letter of happy is H, which means hot, followed by A, ardent, P, present, P, pittance, Y, yield, H for heat, O for off-beam, L for lame, and I for in no time. Let's learn the meaning of these vocabularies with the pictures and also how to use them in the sentences. No need to mention, Holi is such a colorful and joyful festival in India, and no doubt it brings fun and enjoyment for people. It was the morning of 29 March. I rushed towards the place where we decided to join each other the night before. Within 5 minutes, I reached there and joined the horde. Horde means a large group of people, in Hindi, Dal, Jatha, Giroh. I colored to my friends, relatives, and took the blessings of elder people. Everybody was looking ardent, splashing abir and gulal on air, and kids were busy to drench each other with their pichkari. Ardent means very excited or passionate, in Hindi, utsahi. Then our horde went to visit the village. It was our custom to go to the home of each and every people to give the blessings of Holi, and people in return be ready with presents like sop, chips, and etc. Some express their love by giving pittance also. Present means gift or award. Pittance means a very small amount of money. These activities yield energy and excitement inside us to follow and continue this valuable tradition for ages. Yield means produce or provide, utpanna karna. During all that, we didn't heed to the person who was our cashier that day. We all were joy and had lost completely in our own world. He and his two friends took the advantage of that time and went to drink. Until we understood the matter, they were back with 4 portals down. Heed means pay attention to, take notice of, in Hindi, dhyan dena. As soon as they saw us, they started abusing us, kicked out the bhang bucket and destroyed the music system. Things went off beam since then. Happiness changed into grief. Our faces felt pale, not because they were abusing us or had destroyed the music system. We were numb because we didn't get a single rupee of that money. Off beam means on the wrong track, in Hindi, galat disha mein. One of my friends couldn't control his anger. He hit him so hard and in 2 kicks made him lame. He was not even able to stand properly but still laughing, which made us laugh more. We managed to put him inside the music band vehicle. He danced by raising up his hand inside the vehicle and we danced by lying on the ground. Lame means unable to walk, langda. It took 5 hours for us to visit the entire village, but it felt like we had covered all the street, nook and corner, and houses in no time. In the end, we all were covered with color, clothes were torn, and our body was completely wet. We all went back silently to our home and promise to meet again after having sawa. In no time means very quickly or very soon. In Hindi, palak jhapakte hi. These are the vocabularies which we learn throughout the story. So please pause the video and revise again. Congratulations! We have learned most important vocabularies with the help of Frick and Story. If you love the video, so please comment, share and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy and happy Holi.